Hey guys, it's Carlos from Side by Side Crew. Feels so good to be back. It's been a while. This video is going to be a quick one. We're installing the Shreddy steering wheel from PRP. Also, we'll be installing the quick release hub. So this video is going to be a quick little installation video. Let's get into what comes in the box. We're going to be installing the Shreddy PRP steering wheel. We got the quick release. We'll also be putting the adapter for the push talk for the rugged radios. My son is excited because his boy is Shreddy. Dude, look how much space you got.
You have a heart attack.
Look how much space you got. Tell him, CJ, keep coming back. Keep coming back. See, first thing you got to do is remove this center cap. The easiest way is to obviously just use a flathead, pop it off, and then now we have to remove this bolt. 15/16. That's the socket he's gonna use.
Chrome for impact.
Chrome for impact.
I'm gonna put it back on just so it doesn't hit us in the face.
Oh, when you remove it? Yeah. Nice, good tip.
I'm gonna leave it on too, so in case you mushroom that. But if we get lucky,
you just gotta use some manpower.
Huh? Enrico.
Mira, ¿cómo le jala así? Lo va a desbaratar.
I brought a puller.
Oh, okay. So it's not as easy.
No. Try to take off the steering wheel. That works.
Did you put my Shreddy on?
Almost.
Oh, and then you just twist until.
Yeah. I just leave the nut on there too for two reasons. One, so it just doesn't come out and hit you. And then so you don't mushroom the head.
Oh, gotcha,
or mushroom it. So then you, at least when you chase the threads out, you can it'll clean up the threads just in case.
Gotcha.
You have a hammer?
Yeah, I got a hammer.
Damn, this thing's loose. She's on there.
Tighten that thing up. There it is. Uh-oh, we got a racer. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and install the quick release adapter.
So, yeah, once you remove the steering wheel, it's going to be like this. And you get the quick release adapter. And it comes with this. Bolt this one on.
No, it was the other way.
So, that way. Put the nut.
Goes that way.
It's a little hard to find the spines a little bit, but that's it. And then you would bolt the steering wheel to this. So now we'll just attach the steering wheel.
And so in our case, we're gonna put the adapter first for the push to talk.
Yeah.
And then the steering wheel.
And it comes with the extra bolts.
The bolts, yeah. Perfect. All right, so here we're just lining up the push to talk, and then we're gonna sandwich it with the steering wheel.
So it has two different ones, two different screws. I wish they had these that were like more like tapered. But these are too short. Look flush, look a little nicer, but it's alright. It'll work.
So they give you two different sizes. You just have to pick whichever
Yeah.
Works.
Where's
for you.
that? Let's see. So you were concerned about the PRP not being centered, but you know you can spin this wherever, so wherever you want it, whatever. But then this is where you make sure your wheels are straight.
No, it doesn't look straight, but it is.
It's good enough, straight enough. And then what you're gonna do is pull back, find the splines. It's not as easy as the NRG one, but there you go. Once you find it, and then if you notice if it's off a little, you can take it back off, find another tooth to whatever side you want to center it to. And then you haven't gotten your cable for the push to talk, but it's on orders. So right now you got to do this. You're just gonna use this one. Well, the problem with this one is that you're tethered to the car. So, but when you have the other one, the quick release one, you will make a plug or something.
No, man, that was quick. I thought it was gonna take a lot longer. It took like 30 minutes, especially if you have the right tools. It's pretty quick.
Yeah, you can just rent the tool at AutoZone or something, get a steering wheel puller. So I made it work with the, whatever I had. So
no, awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Now I want to go riding.